Adding gems and rhinestones to your displays will really help your balloon designs stand out. I love to use this rhinestone mesh. It's super sparkly and comes in a variety of colours, and you just cut along the line of the rhinestones. Just use an ordinary pair of scissors to cut the mesh to the size you want. For my display, I've cut the mesh to the width of a single gemstone, and I've cut quite a long length. To attach the gemstone strips to the display, I like to use U-glue dashes, and I leave links in the description below to where you can buy all the products that I've used in this video. If you're using a complete U-glue dash, you will need to roll it up so that you can attach it to the back of the gemstone strip. If you're using just a very thin gemstone strip, as I'm doing, which is only 1 gemstone wide. Attach more U-glue dashes at intervals along the length of the gemstone strip. You can also cut your U-glue dashes in half if you're using only thin pieces of gemstone strip, as I'm doing. Remove the backing of the U-glue dashes. Then carefully position your gemstone strip and stick it to your balloon. Just run your finger along the length of the gemstone strip just to smooth out any wrinkles and ensure that the glue has bonded. It doesn't take very long for the glue to stick. And add further gemstone strips to build up your design. Adding gemstones and rhinestones to your balloon displays are a great way to customise your designs and really set them apart from the rest. I'd be so grateful if you would like this video and subscribe to my channel. It will really help my channel grow. I publish new videos every week on all aspects of balloon art. And if you've enjoyed this video, I think you'll enjoy this video next.